by continuing to encourage you to make Jesus Christ Lord, center. Be more devoted to Him, and you can save your life, your marriage, your health, your mind. Now let's just go to Him. Let's just go to Jesus. 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 It is a privilege to serve you. It's a privilege to serve you. It's a privilege to be devoted to you, to preach the gospel, completely devoted to God. The place of safety and prosperity. No more, right? No more tragedy, no more troubles. Let your milk and honey flow in their lives. As we devote ourselves to you, we're here to put our mind on heavenly things, not on earthly things. We don't want to live for ourselves, we want to live for you. We want to invest in you and save lives. Save people from trouble and distress and tribulation and heartache and woe. That's not your kingdom. You disarmed all that trouble. You disarmed the powers that come to cause trouble. You disarmed those spirits that come just to cause trouble and stress and strife. They have been disarmed. Help us to walk in the authority. Take a stand and say, no, no. You'll not come in my door. You'll not be in my dwelling place. You'll not be in my mind. You'll not be in my heart. You'll not be in my house. You won't be in my yard. For we put up a hedge of protection, a ring of fire, because we're making Jesus Christ considered a lower standard. Even considered going back to another way of living, to our old way of life. Forgive us for even thinking about it. Forgive us. We were foolish and frail and faulted when we did that. We agree that if you'll lift all degrees of deception off of us, we'll all want to serve Jesus with our whole heart. If we don't want to serve Him with our whole heart, it's because there's some kind of deception on us that's leading us astray. For Jesus is good, and He is Lord, and He is King, and He is Master. He is the Commander-in-Chief. Of course, we want to serve Him with our whole heart. He's given us by the grace of God a tremendous gift. And now we owe Him our honor and our allegiance, right? And we pledge our allegiance to Jesus Christ and Him alone. Forgive us for ever thinking anything else, even considering anything else. And open our eyes, lifting all deception. If we get all deception off of us, we'll all serve the Lord all the time. And we'll do it all together. But deception drives us apart and divides us and causes us to run after other things. But we break that power off of us tonight. We're here to serve the Lord and Him alone. To serve Him and Him alone. And we know we're not perfect people, and we're people dealing with problems sometimes, right? People have problems. But we are not going to compromise to make ourselves feel better about our problems. We're going to run to Jesus. We're going to run to the Lord. We're going to run in prayer. We're going to run in battle. We're going to exalt Jesus over every name that's named. We exalt Jesus over the name of divorce, over the name of cancer, over the name of sickness, over the name of stress, over the name of fear. We lift Jesus higher, 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 higher. We believe in a ring of fire, a hedge of protection. Put up your hedge of protection around those who come to you and fall on our faces, fall on our knees. We lift up our hands, we lift up our faces to the living God and Him alone, and Him alone. There is but one God, and there is no other God. And we will not bow to any other God, any other philosophy, any other preaching, any other gospel, any other Jesus, any other spirit. We will not bow. The only thing we will bow to is Jesus Christ Himself. We will not bow to anything. We are saving that up, right? We save up our bowing for Jesus and Him alone. Thank you, Jesus. We bow to you, oh Jesus. Only you. Only you. We'll not bow to fear. We'll not bow to darkness. We'll not bow to demons. Only you. We bow to you, oh God. And we worship you. We worship you. We worship you. We worship you. Oh Jesus. We worship you. We worship you. Hear those words. Behold, I give you authority. I'm not doing it, Jesus. Give you authority to trample on every snake and serpent and scorpion in your life. So don't settle for less. Don't settle for less than what God has given you through His Son Jesus. Don't settle for less. I hope this is a fighting week for you. And every one of us knows sometimes we let down our guard, we let things in. We're just people. But that's why God sends preachers of the Word and encouragement to us. Says, come on, get back up on that horse now, and let's go for a ride, right? Let's be the warring horsemen, right? As Jesus comes. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. let's worship a little bit. I think I've said all needs to be said. Let's just